Okay fellas, hi, it's our time to check the copy of the Makita or the grinder for the Makita battery. You call, you name it in the comments, and basically let's check what we have inside. We have the brushless motor, we have two terminals, no third terminal for the battery voltage monitoring. Of course the voltage can be monitored through this port, so I can see anything. Okay, first thing, what I want to do, I want to open the gearbox. Okay, what we can see here, we can see that the grease is a little bit too less. I think it's needed more grease here, but the gearbox feels solid and not wobbling, so the ball bearing inside is good, probably. Okay, let's check what we have here. And as it's brushless, we want to take it out and check what we have here. And of course we have the armature that it's made of magnet. We have the bearing, and the bearing is wobble a little bit, but it's a ZZ bearing with the metal one, so they are wobbling a little bit more. Here always we have the loose housing on almost all grinders, because this one was iron housing and then it's not wobbling. Okay, what we can see here. Okay, we have no hole sensors here, or I can see them. Let's open the housing and check. Okay, bit. Need to take Chinese bit here. Okay, my bit is a little bit worn out, so I can't get all the screws with it. So I will do that with hand. Okay, so I see that they have the switch here, no sticker, the switch for the speed. Okay, sorry, one screw. Okay, now I think I will take it out easily, or I hope so. Okay, and what we have here, we have the spark, the field, the simple switch, and the simple controller with the button. And this controller can be purchased from AliExpress, Temu and so on for maybe €5. We can see the manufacturing fault here, the wire is pressed a little bit. And yeah, basically that's a cheap tool for the low price, and of course for the home use, and nothing really bad on it as of the cheap tool. And probably you can use it at home without a fear. Can it work the battery? And yes and no, because it doesn't have the terminal for tracking the battery voltage. But as you know, the controller can see the battery low voltage and stop the tool working. So I don't know, do you want to see the test of this tool for me grinding or something, overloading it, checking if it can stand on big loads or not? Let me know in the comments. For now I will just assemble it, put some more grease in the gear housing, and that's all. Press thumbs up for the Chinese tools.